Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start journaling in Notion using a free journal dashboard template to make the whole process super easy and give your journal a professional look right from the start. Whether you're brand new to Notion or just want to speed up setting up your daily or weekly journal, I promise by the end of this video, you'll have a clean, personalized journal space that feels great to use every day. All right, let's jump straight in. First things first, open up your Notion workspace. If you haven't tried Notion before, it's basically an all-in-one productivity platform, like a digital notebook, planner, and organizer. And templates in Notion act like pre-built rooms that you can move into and decorate however you want. In our case, we're grabbing a journal template so you don't have to start from scratch. Now, to find a good journal template, look at the very top left corner of Notion. You'll see a menu with a little drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that. The interface here gives you more options for your current page. Think of it as a shortcut to all the tools you might need. From here, look for the Browse Templates option. Sometimes it's tucked away, so take a moment and let your eyes scan for it. Click Browse Templates. Now you're in the Templates gallery, which is like Notion's library of ready-made pages. At first, you might see a lot: calendars, project managers, personal planners. But to keep things simple, just start by using the search bar, which is usually placed right up top. Type in Journal. Notion will filter through and show you several journal template options. Here, take a minute to look around and see which design resonates with you. Some templates focus more on daily reflections. Others give you a whole dashboard for tracking mood, habits, and gratitude. Pick the one that fits your style. Don't worry, you can always tweak it later. Once you've made your choice, just click on the template and then hit the Add or Use this template button depending on what Notion calls it. The system will instantly copy the template to your workspace, and you'll see your new journal dashboard ready to go. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice your journal already has sections for entries, maybe monthly or weekly logs, and often some prompts to help you get started. At this stage, you can start adding your credentials. That just means typing your name into the journal and maybe picking a suitable header or cover image to make it feel like your own. Many templates let you upload photos, change icons, and add a bit of creativity, so if you love customizing, go wild. Maybe you add a calming background image or set up a color palette that feels inspiring. Don't worry if you're not sure how you want things to look yet. The key is to get started, and you can always come back and personalize it more as you develop your journaling routine. When you're satisfied with your basic setup, start your first entry. Type out your thoughts, feelings, or even what you had for lunch. Remember, journaling is about capturing your day and checking in with yourself. Each time you sit down, just click into the dashboard and hit New Entry. It's designed to be intuitive and frictionless. And honestly, that's all it takes. By using the journal dashboard template, you save tons of time, and you get a beautifully structured space that makes journaling truly enjoyable. If you ever want to change fonts, add new sections, or reorganize, Notion's drag-and-drop editing means your journal grows and changes with you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, maybe about customizing your journal or using other templates, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and happy journaling!